Okay, that's gross. I'm not gonna show you that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it has been a hot minute. I know. I know. But anyways, I'm back and with bigger and better things, guys. Bigger and better things. 2022 is the year. Like the year. I mean, anyways, so guys, I have something really exciting to share with you guys. I mean, this is really great and I'm super duper excited about it. And I'm just so happy to share it with you guys. So I've been thinking from the other day that, not from the other day, it's been a while, that I feel like I'm not making an impact, and I was actually considering to not post anything more on this channel, to not do anything on this channel. But I think God has other plans, because I was just saying that I'm not reaching anybody, I'm not impacting people the way that I would like. But I'm just going to continue. All right, I'm just going to continue to do what I'm doing. Anyways, I am off tangent. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about was the fact that, as I said before, I was feeling like I'm not making an impact, and I want to make an impact. I want to reach people. I want to change persons' lives. I want to change people's lives. That's the type of thing that I want to do. And I've been thinking, how can I do that? How can I help? How can I? So it's been on my heart to give back. And when I say give back, I was thinking about mothers in general, and I was thinking that there are lots of mommies out there who are finding it so hard to buy clothes for their children and stuff like that. And I have a lot of clothes for Jenny and Amari that are, some of them just wear like one time, some don't wear none at all, that are really nice, really good. So I thought that I would just give these to women and stuff like that. Anything that I have, clothes that I have that I have never worn before, super cute, super new, stuff like that I would just help out somebody else. I only mentioned this to one person, and that was my big sister, and she was like, yeah, that's a good idea, whatever, you can do that. And I was like, yeah, I like that, I'm going to do that. But I didn't act on it. I didn't act on it. And then the other day my mommy called me. Well, I called her and she was telling me about an idea that she had to form a support group for women. And she was just saying, just to help another woman, it don't have to be money or anything like that, but it can be just, somebody to talk to. You have a group of persons where you can have somebody just to talk to. If you need somebody to keep your baby for a day, if you can do that. If you need one school shoes, somebody can help you. If you need some clothes, somebody in the group can help. And I was like, Mommy, I think our brains are on the same wavelength, because I've been thinking the same thing. So she's like, yeah. So that's the big thing, guys. We have officially started a group. It's called the Village Sisters. And I'm just so excited about this. I'm excited about helping other persons. I'm excited about other women joining to offer any form of help that they can. Guys, this is it. This is the impact. This is how we're going to be impacting other person's life. This is how we're going to make things better, because guys, COVID hits hard, and I don't mean just losing jobs and everything, but not even having anybody to talk to, nobody to interact with. These things are hard, and a lot of persons are struggling in so many different ways. And I just think that whatever way that we can help, then we should help. So, one, if you are willing to help, if you're willing to be a part of this group, I would love that so much. I created an Instagram and Facebook, so you can go ahead and follow. If there's anything that you have to donate, like, just reach out to us on Instagram. I'm thinking about creating a WhatsApp group as well, but I'm not so sure about that WhatsApp yet, because people tend to go off tangent in WhatsApp groups. So, but yeah, I am thinking about doing a WhatsApp group. But guys, any form of help, anything, if you need help with anything, then also reach out to us on Instagram or Facebook, and let us help. So the tagline is, how can we help? So yeah, I'm just excited about that, guys. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited about it too. And yeah, guys, let's just help each other. I mean, let's just help each other whichever way that we can, whichever way that. Listen, you might think that, oh, you can't help, but listen, just being available for like a 10 minutes to somebody who sits here saying, oh my god, I'm tired, it can like literally change somebody's life. So I'm inviting you again to just join us and to be a part of this amazing group of women who are just passionate about supporting other women. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you in my next video, and I have something else exciting coming. So, but you have to stay tuned to the next video to find out about that. So, I don't know why I did that with my tongue. That was weird. That was weird, right? I think I should go. I'm going. All right, bye bye. Later. Bye.